The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Edge 2026 looks like a true powerhouse, built to redefine the smartphone experience. It features a stunning Super AMOLED QHD Plus display with a blazing 144Hz refresh rate and an incredible 4000 nits brightness, making it one of the brightest and smoothest panels ever seen on a phone. Under the hood, it's powered by the mighty Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, paired with a massive 32GB of RAM and up to 2TB of storage, ensuring unmatched speed and capacity. For photography, Samsung takes things to the next level with a groundbreaking 400MP camera, capable of capturing jaw-dropping detail. Keeping everything running is an enormous 8000 mAh battery with 90W fast charging, designed to deliver all-day endurance and super-quick top-ups. The Galaxy Edge 2026 is shaping up to be a futuristic beast in every sense.